Subsets in SNOMED CT, the clinical dictionary within electronic health and care records. This animation covers the following: how to find out what national subsets are available, how to obtain details of the subset and view what is in it, how to download a copy as an Excel spreadsheet. SNOMED CT is extensive. Sometimes we wish to restrict the terms that are available for data analysis or data entry. A subset allows the content of SNOMED CT to be restricted for this purpose. To search for and view the national subsets and their details, open the NHS Digital Data Dictionary for Care. You can view this at dd4c.digital.nhs.uk. This is the Data Dictionary for Care database. To search, select Subset Metadata in the left-hand column. For this example, let's search for eating disorders. You only need to type eating to search. All subsets with the word eating will appear in the results. A subset is provided in SNOMED CT as a simple reference set or ref set. If you hover your cursor over the result, you will notice this is a hyperlink to click on. For this example, we will follow eating disorder procedures. The ref's ID is displayed on the screen along with a description of the subset. Clicking on the Viewable At link will open the SNOMED CT term browser where the ref set can be viewed. This is the SNOMED CT term browser. The eating disorder simple ref set is shown on the right. For the next stage, click on Members in the top column. A list of all the concepts in this ref set are shown on the right-hand side of the screen. If you would like to download this information as a file, continue watching. It is not possible to do this from the term browser. To download the file, you will need to log in to the Technology Reference Data Update distribution. You can access this at isd.digital.nhs.uk. If you don't have a TRUD account, you'll need to create one before you can log in. Once logged in, scroll down and select SNOMED CT subset members in spreadsheet view. The UK clinical and UK drug extensions are provided separately. You can subscribe to either or both. You should subscribe, accept the license and receive an email confirmation. Once subscribed, click on Releases for the required subset. The latest release will always appear at the top with previous releases beneath it. Clicking Download will download all of the subsets onto your machine in Excel format. In your Downloads folder, locate the Excel file for eating disorder procedures. The subset will contain the following information: the concept ID, whether the item is active or not, the preferred term, and the fully specified name. If you know the reference set that you require, you can search for it directly in the SNOMED CT term browser. View the contents by clicking on Members. Remember, you can only view the contents here in the browser. You cannot download the contents from this page. Where next? We have a number of technical animations on our website if you would like to learn more about the SNOMED CT data model. For more information, visit our website. Email our SNOMED implementation team, or search for NHS Digital or SNOMED CT on Twitter.